Hello children, in this video under chapter 10 exercise number 6 we are going to learn. So with the topic finding out the volume of other solid shapes. So we have learned how to find the volumes for the cube and cuboids of different shapes which is given. So here in this exercise, apart from that cube and cuboid, any other shape of any solid shapes, we can find the volumes by doing the experiment. Okay, so with using the experiment method, we are going to learn. So here if you see using an experiment with that measuring cylinder and water, they have done an experiment. With a measuring cylinder, 100 ml of water is being poured. After pouring the water inside this measuring cylinder, the stone is being dropped into the water. See, with the before dropping the stone into the water level shows the 100 ml of water. See, this measuring cylinder, the measurement is given in the milliliter, that is ml. Okay, so here after dropping the stone inside the measuring cylinder into the water level is showing 150 ml. Okay, so that shows after dropping the stone inside the water level increases. Okay, so to know the volume of this particular stone, we have to find out the difference between the water level before dropping the stone and after dropping the stone inside the water. See, this 150 ml has to be subtracted with 100 ml. That is 150 ml minus 100 ml, you will get 50 ml of volume which is found by this experiment. That is the stone volume. The volume of the stone, the solid thing, is 50 cube centimeter. Okay, so I'll just show you how it is increasing. Yes, see, I have just poured water in this bottle. I am not having this measuring cylinder which shows the measurement of water. So I am just going to show you the difference, what happens after dropping the solid thing into the water. See, this is an water alone is there in this bottle. I am going to mark the level of the water before dropping the solid into the water. See, I am going to drop this potato into this water. See, after dropping the potato into the water, can you see the water level increases? See, before dropping the potato into the water level was here. Now it is being increased on the top. Okay, so by finding the difference between this water level, you can able to find the volume of this potato. Okay, so here with the exercise number 6, we have different that is solids which is being dropped into the water with the measuring cylinder. So we'll just see with only one example. Okay, so here solids of different shapes are dropped into a measuring cylinder with 100 ml of water. So this each and every measuring cylinder has 100 ml of water, equally has 100 ml of water. After dropping the solid into the water level increases from 100, okay, 100 to different measurement. Each one will show you the different measurement. So before dropping the water, all the measuring cylinder will have the 100 ml of water only. See, 100 ml of water only it will be there. So after dropping the different objects into the water level increases. Okay, so that if I take this A sum, okay, so the 100 ml of water was there before dropping this marble into the water. After dropping this marble into this water, the water level increases to 120. Okay, so that this 120 ml of water should be subtracted with this 100 ml of water. So difference is 20 ml. So that the volume of this marble is 20 cube centimeter. Okay, understood? So like this we have to find for others also. Thank you, children.